In the town of Sweetwater, today was the best day of the year, Pancake Day. But inside the bakery, there was a giant problem. It's ruined! The magical oven locked itself, and I lost the secret code. There will be no pancakes. Don't worry, Mr. Crumb. Every lock is just a puzzle, and every puzzle is just math. Let's look for clues. Maya loved numbers. She followed a trail of flour outside and saw 3 squirrels juggling acorns. Look! It's a pattern. 2, 4, 6. What comes next? 8! The first number of the code is 8.
But Maya, the second dial has a picture of a triangle on it. What number is a triangle? A triangle isn't a number, Mr. Crumb, but we can count its sides. Look at those sandwiches you cut. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. A glowing number 3 locked into the oven with a loud, satisfying clunk. They were almost there. Outside, the townspeople were chanting for food. The final dial had a math problem. 5 plus 4. We just need to add them together. 5 apples in this basket plus 4 more apples. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! The last number is 9! The doors are opening! You saved the festival, Maya! How can I ever repay you? Just save me some extra syrup. Math is sweet. But pancakes are sweeter. And so, with a little bit of logic and a lot of numbers, Maya saved the day. Math is everywhere. You just have to know how to look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to Onkar's Little Hero for more heartwarming and inspiring videos. New stories are coming your way soon.